How you doing? My name is Dr. Chris Cueto from Herald Chiropractic Sport. I'm here to actually show you a good way for us to rehab severe neck pain, or even just a typical neck exercise that I do with my patients here. Now, the problem a lot of us experience, and a lot of the folks I work with neck pain, is that they have a forward head posture. Typically, they have their shoulders are drawn forward, heads too drawn forward. A lot of times, looking at their smartphones, reading newspaper, looking at the computers. Even as a kid, playing video games or even studying. So a lot of things that we've got to try doing now is create a lot of strength back into the deep neck flexor muscles. Okay, so this exercise is aimed to both recreate the motion as well as recreate the strength of certain muscles that's actually been inhibited. It's called a seated neck retraction. So I'm going to actually use one of my interns here. This is Kevin Cam, and the first thing we're going to do is have you seated. Next thing we're going to do is have your two fingers right by your chin, and we're going to have the patient typically look straight ahead and pick out a spot on the wall. And for this example, what we'd like you to do, or like Kevin to do, is to actually maintain the level, bring his head back, and then bring it back into a normal position. Okay? Bring your head back again, engaging the muscles here, and then relaxing. Now, the two fingers are actually meant to be used as a guide and not to push. So the last thing I'd like to see him do, and not have him see him do, is try to force it by pushing upwards or back or downwards. Try to maintain a nice, what we call a sagittal position, back and forth. Eventually what he's going to end up doing is, without the use of his fingers, he's going to start doing this on his own, recreating strength and actually normalizing the curvature too. A lot of things that we do as an alternative is adding some resistance, either with my hands, sometimes even with a pillow, or sometimes with a ball. If you have any questions, my name is Dr. Chris Cueto. Again, we could log on to www.heraldsquarechiropractic.com. My name is Dr. Chris Cueto, and we'll see you soon.